interactive learning experiences. ICT and AI tools provide interactive and immersive learning experiences that stimulate student curiosity and promote hands-on exploration. It involves gamification, virtual reality, simulations, and multimedia resources that makes learning more engaging and enjoyable. Personalized learning. So, ICT and AI enables personalized learning experiences tailored to individual students' needs, interests, and learning styles. Adaptive learning platforms, intelligent tutoring system, and personalized feedback mechanism help students progress at their own pace. Received targeted supports and engage in activities that align with their strength and weakness. Collaborative learning. So, technology facilitates collaboration and peer-to-peer interaction, allowing students to work together, share ideas, and engage in cooperative learning activities. Online discussion forum, collaborative projects, and group activities foster a sense of community, enhance critical thinking, and develop communication skills. Real world connections. So, real world connection. ICT and AI bridge the gap between classroom learning and the real world by connecting students with authenticate and meaningful experiences. Virtual field trips, online guest lectures, and access to the global networks, experts broaden students' horizons and make learning relevant to their lives. So at last, so why this is more important? So enhanced student engagement promotes active participation, deeper understanding and retention of knowledge. It cultivates a positive learning environment that nurtures motivation, fosters creativity and cultivates a love for lifelong learning to the students. By leveraging ICT and AI to enhance student engagement, education becomes a dynamic and interactive process that empowers students to take ownership of their own learning journey. Thank you.